guys, Jean here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It is a huge Dollar Tree Halloween collab video. So what I've done is I've created an open collab so anyone who wanted to join in could join in. We are bringing you guys Dollar Tree Halloween costume ideas. So Halloween can be a very expensive time when it comes to Halloween costumes, especially if you have multiple kids. So I wanted to go ahead and create a video series for you guys to give you guys some ideas of what you can do last minute, or maybe you're on a low budget. So check back to this video tomorrow on the 13th because I'm going to create a playlist of everyone who participated in this video. So I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who participated in this video, and make sure you link your video below in the comment section so I know to add you into the playlist. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and just keep in mind all of these costumes were just for fun, so I don't want anyone to take this video too seriously because I did have a lot of fun filming it for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get into the costume ideas. So this first costume is a party animal, or you can just make it into a present. So I put Scarlett's hair up in a bun, and then I got this scrunchie from Target a while ago, and it kind of looks like a bow. And then I put the yellow confetti inside the scrunchie, and then I also put some plastic horses in for the animal. And the final costume came out to a party animal. And if you just want to omit the horses, you could just have your kid go as a present. And I know you guys have extra party bags laying around, so this is a super easy and quick costume. So this next costume is a robber. So I got a black beanie, some play money, and also a jawstring bag. So what I did is I put the beanie over my head, and I actually placed some stickers, Paw Patrol stickers, thanks Llewellyn, where my eyelids were, so that I knew where I needed to cut out my eyes. So this is just a handy little tip to make sure that I cut out the right area for my eyes, and it actually worked out really well. You could also use like a white crayon, or I don't know what else you could use. And then just go ahead and cut the holes out to make your eye area so that you can actually see through your costume. And then this is the final look. So you have a robber's mask, or you could just do a party mask, but yeah, Dollar Tree. And then you can go ahead and sneak all of the candy. Yes, I'm a robber who likes money, but I also like me some chocolate. And if you want to do a couple costume, you can do a cop costume, or you can do a spin and do a coupon cop. Here we go. Yes, I would like to buy 3 laundry pods, please. I have 3 bags of Tide. Here you go. Oh, and I have 3 Tide coupons for you. Here you go. Breaker 19. This is the couponing police. Yes, we have a fraudulent couponer here at CVS. Yes, her name is Gina Schweppe. She has a YouTube channel. Yes, it is nap time. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna take her into custody. Yeah, I forgot my handcuffs, so I'm just gonna have to use my baton. Just spank her on the butt. Yeah, we're gonna take her into the holding cell. Yeah. This man tried to use 3 Tide coupons in 1 transaction. All right, we're gonna bring her in. My name is Gina the Coupon Cop. Don't use fraudulent coupons. Do not commit coupon fraud, or you will go to jail. Oh my God, I'm going to jail. I'm going to coupon jail. Who am I gonna call? Oh my God, I'm gonna have to call Llewellyn. She's gonna have to bail me out. Oh my God. Oh my God, my mom's gonna kill me. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, stay tuned tomorrow. I will be creating a playlist with everyone who participated in this Dollar Tree challenge. So I hope everyone has a fantastic and safe Halloween season, and definitely tag me on Instagram if you recreate any of these costumes. I would love to see it. So Tanner and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.